Hello everybody, hello guys, and welcome to Dr. Nick's tutorials. In this video we are going to learn how to auto select objects in Photoshop without any effort and without any hard steps or something. Just one click. So let's get started. Let's open Photoshop, and here you may see this on the left in the toolbar. You may find this tool which is called the quick selection tool. Click and hold on it until this menu appears and click object selection tool. Then once it opens, click on the object that you want to select, and here is the magic right now. When I click, let's just like this, and let's select this. Sorry, let's click and select. As you can see, here it is, and let me select this. As you can see, it selected the car. And yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, write down below for us in the comments. And don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you want more of these videos. And goodbye.